ये बंद कर दे भाई अब।
Hey guys, what's up? Another day. Today I have Titi Sharashi with me because she was like, we have to go for like a roaming purpose and all.
Please, I'm telling him कि कोई और दूसरी लाइफ भी बना ले जिंदगी में, सिर्फ काम काम काम. No, not happening.
Yeah, so Titi Sharashi is here to give me some fun. And you know, a lot of people commented. Should I mention that comment?
Yeah, of course.
So the comment was basically, let me just take it. So moreover, I was buying this thing and this guy is like,
God, you don't have to show it.
like he's like, it's for free. It is for free.
Yeah, free.
For me.
For you only.
So what was the comment? Comment was कि उससे पहले ना मैं एक दिन condom का पैकेट लेके आया घर पे. So people were like कि he got the condom packet just to bang Titi Sharashi.
No.
Did I bang you?
No. We are not friends with benefits, and I'm still a virgin, and I'm getting married. So please, मेरी शादी मत तोड़ो. Anyways, he's not very happy about the fact, but
Yeah.
हम शरीफ बंदे हैं, मैं और तितली मैं और शरीफ है.
even love is virgin. Don't you know, guys? Love is virgin. He doesn't know how to do stuff. He doesn't know.
I don't know. Like, how do you know that I don't know how to do
Because
stuff?
you told me. He told me, man. Like, he doesn't know how to do stuff. He's virgin.
Well,
News. That's news.
I'm no virgin kind of stuff. Okay.
So he is like कि मुझे footage अभी देना है आज के लिए
Oh.
to entertain you guys, because he's not going to meet me for another 2 or 3 days, I guess. So क्या बोल रही थी? So yesterday, so it's a thing that you need to know if you know love. That is, he's a big Rani Mukherjee fan. Okay? He will make you watch Tara Rampam.
Tarararam, tara. Have you ever heard that song? Zindagi mein
मूवी
koi
देखने के बाद बाहर से नहीं मरोगे, लेकिन अंदर से मर जाओगे.
हाँ, and if you don't appreciate that movie,
I will fuck you very hard.
yes,
Okay,
you
okay.
need to like movies like us. और ये मुझे और दूसरा मूवी दिखाने वाला है.
Up, maybe Titli might be like coming
No,
to flat.
no, never,
Titli
never.
might not be coming
Never,
to flat.
never.
थोड़ा प्यार, थोड़ा मैजिक में इसको दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है?
थोड़ा प्यार, थोड़ा मैजिक.
या फिर
कौन
दागा
देखता
चुन्नी में
है?
दाग, या फिर हम तुम.
Oh God, man.
अपन नताशा वाली कौन सी मूवी थी?
Hi, I'm Natasha.
करता था ये, हम उस टाइम 8th क्लास में थे. 8th या 9th में? 8th में थे.
प्रेम में नहीं आ रहे थे
चल 6
मोटे.
बोल दे यार. क्लास के दरवाजे के पीछे ऐसे
हाँ, सर.
नॉक. Who is there? ठीक है तो फिर नताशा. No Heisenberg. नताशा.
He's Rani Mukherjee in bed. कभी अलविदा नहीं कहना देख के इतना इंस्पायर हो गया that he called
हाँ,
Ravinder,
loud side.
and they both had a scene like Shah Rukh Khan and Rani Mukherjee, you know. In short, cheat.
यहाँ पे loud नहीं होता ना?
Okay, it's not allowed.
ऐसा
It's
नहीं
not
है.
allowed over here, but still, I love this place a lot. You should come here often. You get so much of mental peace. So we are at Hira Nights,
Hira Sweet.
Hira Sweets in CP. You should come here because it's his next favorite now.
It's actually because they have a chili burger that is like fucking awesome. You should really try.
Guys, let me tell you one thing. How love decides the menu. ये बंदा पता क्या करेगा, पहले तो मेन्यू मंगवाएगा इंग्लिश बोल के. हे ब्रो, गिव मी द मेन्यू. बहुत ध्यान से इतने ध्यान से इसने अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं देखा होगा कभी जिंदगी में. देखने के बाद फिर अच्छा मेन्यू अच्छा लिखो. वो जब लिखने लगेगा एक चिली पोटैटो.
Like
LOL.
he meant to say कि मैं कम से कम आधा घंटे मेन्यू में इसके वो करूँगा, गार्गल. Then end of the day I will go for chili potato and I'm having a chili potato after ages.
यार एक बात बड़ी अच्छी है कि आप लोग जो मिलते हो बड़ा अप्रिशिएट करते हो, बट यार एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखा करो, कभी ना सर्वर मत बोला करो. तो बड़ा अजीब लगता है यार. हम आप तुम्हारी उम्र के, क्योंकि अपनी उम्र के सब देखते हैं ब्लॉग. तो 5 महीने बाद खा रहा हूँ भाई.
I love these jalebis, man. These are like the ultimate one.
आफ्टर चिली पोटैटो हाउ वी लुक.
After chili potato, how we look exactly? Hot, red hot. Do you miss Calcutta now?
Thank you. Yes, I miss Calcutta still.
Oh.
But it's okay.
Ravinder told me Calcutta is like really good city and I should visit over there. Maybe one day I will.
कैलकाटा इज लाइक बेस्ट है भाई. मतलब अगर दिल्ली के बाद अगर देखा जाए तो कैलकाटा बेस्ट लगा मेरे को.
What is this?
I creeped you out. Say peace out then.
Peace out. Hi. How are you?
I've seen your video.
Oh, you have seen it.
I woke up, I think
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, and we had to leave 11 o'clock. So I woke up at 11
Thank
o'clock.
God she accepted
That's how I roll. And then, but I got ready by 11:20. 11:20 I left my home.
आके भी नहीं आई.
नहा के आई हूँ. इतनी जल्दी में कैसे रेडी हो गई? ठीक है. जैसे लगा था कि मैं 12 बजे आऊंगी.
So मैं लिटरली वॉशरूम से पता है लाइक बाथरूम से नंगा तेरा फोन उठाने आया. Like literally I did that. That's like surprising.
Today is looking so good.
By the way, hi to Aishwarya. A lot of people are missing her.
Hi guys.
So where were you, Aishwarya, from so long?
I missed you all. I was working on some other project, a secret one.
She left us. Like she left us in mid. Like we were shooting a video. She got a call. She got good money. And she's like, "I'm leaving you, love."
Just stop looking at you. जैसे मैं इधर देखती लोग बोलते हैं she's
प्यार
in
हो गया.
love.
She's in love with. उन्हें देखो. देखो. इनका प्यार खत्म नहीं होता एक दूसरे के लिए. I'm just looking for a good lighting right now. The first comment I saw recently, Aishwarya is such a mean person because she always come when there is work. Otherwise, she doesn't even meet Love Rudraksh.
Hold on, comment मैंने भी पढ़ा था. It was कि ऐश्वर्या is so professional. वो सिर्फ काम पे आती है तभी vlogs में होती है. Busy. And मैंने अगर कहा है कि I wouldn't ever leave him, तो I mean it.
Yay! But she left another application. क्या लगेगा?
अच्छा वो मेरा खाना नहीं गिराया तुमने. इधर देख.
रोती क्यों यार मैंने से बोला था ये कभी नहीं जाना चाहिए. वो तो एक्टिंग कर रही थी ना किसी
भाई एक्चुअली में बंदा ब्रेक डाउन भी हो जाता है कभी कभी.
मुझे पता नहीं है
क्या हाँ कर रहा हूँ अभी भी कर रहा हूँ मैं.
तो ये है रियल शिट ज्ञान.
Yeah,
रियल शिट.
they make real shit videos, right? You want to say that?
Talk to you after this.
Nobody wants to talk to you, Khushi. They just want to talk to me and Nilesh, right, bro? Exactly. So we are doing an interview for like talented Indians. So it will be out. I don't know when it will be out, Akash, by the way. Yeah, it will be out somewhere in August. वो इस तरह का थप्पड़ मारेगा.
So guys, now we present you the animal to eat. There you
I
go.
swear I got scared for a second after seeing it. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
And I did not.
And she did not too.
I did. I actually.
You did, right? Despacito. खुशी ऐश्वर्या, तुम में से कौन डेयर लेगा? तुम्हें झाड़ू लगानी है अभी यहाँ पे.
मैं ले रही हूँ. एक मिनट.
गाने गा रही है. Oh my darling. बॉबी डार्लिंग याद आ गया मेरे को इससे. पानी दा रंग वेख के पानी दा. That's it. You watched the new vlog. I am editing it and shooting this clip at the same time. So पुराना vlog लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. Where I annoyed Khushi. So yes, I will be doing that a lot more to make the vlogs more interesting. And moreover, last vlog got 75k views just in 2 days. That's a big thing for vlogs for sure. And I hope जो आज मैंने इसमें एक और add up किया है, part 2 डाला है इसका, touching Strange's body. I hope you will like it too. Moreover, guys, like और comment जरूर किया करो, because that is how I get to know you guys are appreciating it and you guys are liking it. And I'm really sorry for not putting any video on this Saturday because I don't want it to compromise with the quality. I did shoot lot, but I don't want it to put something rubbish. So that's all, guys. I'm waiting for a comment. Do comment and take care. Bye bye. Good night.